To everyone, I am Krishnavani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application in Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. Today's subject is Applied Software Engineering with Design and DevOps. Today's topic is Definition of Software Engineering and SDLC phases. What is software engineering? First, what is software? Software is a collection of integrated program the developer to develop the particular program by using particular programming language as per the customer requirement or need. This is known as software. Then next is what is meant by engineering. Engineering is the application of scientific and practical knowledge to invent, design and build, maintain and improve framework processes, etc. The combination of two words that mean software and engineering is known as software engineering. Then what is software engineering? Software engineering is a branch. Here we apply or we develop evaluation of software product by using some scientific principle, techniques and procedures. This is called as a software engineering. The result of software engineering is to develop effective and reliable software product. Software engineering includes variety of techniques, tools and methodologies, including requirement analysis, design, testing and maintenance also. It is a rapidly evolving field and new tools and technologies are constantly being developed to improve the quality software development process. Next is and the main goal of software engineering is to develop software application for improving quality, budget and time efficiency. Next, the software engineering ensure that the software has to be built should have correct also on budget, also on time and within requirement required. Next is importance of software engineering. There are a lot of importance in software engineering. First one, reduce complexity. Next, to minimize software cost, to decrease time handling big project, reliable software effectiveness. Let's we discuss about one by one. Handling big project. See, every organization, every institution having their own software like RBI, SBI, banking applications have their own software or application. So basically software used to handle large amount of data and project. There is a connection between the customer and institution or organization person. Okay, next to manage to the cost or to minimize the software cost. That means if you want to develop the particular software as per the software engineering principle or as per the customer requirement, so you use your software is manage the cost is very easy. It means if you want to develop the software as per the customer requirement or need at the time, reduce all those things at or not required or unwanted only as per the customer requirement, so that will be beneficial for them managing the cost. Next is to decrease the time. That means obviously we use the different software like reservation application, that is train reservation or bus reservation or airline booking, airline booking, calculate these all application are useful for the software useful for the customer because they reduce their time. So we can they are frequently use this software. Next, reliable software. Software should secure means if you have a deliver the software, then should work for the at least it is given time. And any bugs come in the software, the company take a full responsible and to solve the bugs or errors. So reliable software is a very important. Next one is effectiveness. Effectiveness comes with everything has made according to the standard. Software standard or the big target of companies to make it more effective. So the software become more effective in the act with the help of software engineering. These are the importance of the software engineering. Next. SDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle. a process for developing, designing, maintaining a software project by ensuring that all functionalities along with their user requirement, objectives and end goal are addressed. In this process, present a particular process of developing the quality software as per the customer requirement or a customer need. As a developer, we must know what is the need of customer and customer exactly what exactly they need or what exactly they want. For that purpose, SDLC we can use how to develop the quality software. Okay. Next, in this SDLC have 5 phases. First one is analysis, design, development and testing, deployment, maintenance. These are the phases of SDLC. By using this phase, we have to develop the quality and effective software as per the customer requirement. Why as a developer we need a SDLC? It improve the relationship with the client and the development. That means it improve the relationship between customer, client and the development team, because every process start with a communication. So the communication meeting between the customer and the developer team. It offers basically project planning and scheduling and cost estimating. It maintain of complete project planning, scheduling and cost estimation. It maintain all these things in a particular format of, that means documentation. In this relationship or in this meeting between stakeholders, end user and project team, in this meeting they planned all these things. That means scheduling, costing, everything was discussed in this meeting. Next one is provide standard set of activities and SC rules. That is, now SDLC provides standard set of activities and SC rules. Every stakeholders must use these rules for developing a quality software product. Next, this is the SDLC software provide the proper planning and the scheduling. Next one is increase and enhance the development speed. That means every project have a particular deadline, right? So they develop the project in a particular speed which will be useful for quality software product, used for to develop the quality product software. Next one is maintain project tracking and control. That means it is in this SDLC also provide a maintain project tracking and control facility. Next one is risk management. That means if your project having a risk, is assess those risks and decrease this risk also. Then next one, seventh one is entry and exit criteria. That means every project, every product must contain the entry and exit criteria. It provided by the SC rules. These are the needs of SDLC. Next is, these are the phases for SDLC: analysis, design, development, testing, deployment and maintenance. These are the phases for SDLC. Next, let's discuss about one by one. The first phase is requirement analysis phase. That means in this phase conducted by project manager, business analyst, a senior member in the team. The main aim of this phase is what is the need of the software, or customer exactly what wants, or all the requirements are gathered from the customer. This is the main aim of this phase. These all things are discussed in that particular phase. After gathering all these requirements from the customer, they maintain the SRS documents. That means software requirement specification. Then identify the risk in a project or a software. If Once done to gathering the information, after that will go into the plan where will be the project start, what will be the deadline of the project. This is the overall working principle of requirement analysis phase. Next, assume that online shopping. In this first phase, they analyzes these all things are that customer requirement. That means categories. What are the categories are included in our project? Then very important point is good and attractive user interface. Do we want to develop? Next is design phase. In this phase, conducted by product manager and UI and UX designer. After gathering all the requirement, next phase is conducted by product manager and user UI UX designer team. For that purpose, we involve high level and low level design. For the high level, how your software look like in future, they have in particular design using the software. For that purpose, using flowchart, database, tables, algorithms. Whereas low level, detailed of interface means which type of text box do you want, which type of text box, button, label button, checkbox are placed where particular form. In all these are documented in DDS, that means design document specification. In DDS and SSR, this both documents are carried forward to the development team. That means next team. Implementation. After design phase, the DDS carry forward to the implementation or take to the developer or programmer. Now the developer or programmer used to suitable for the programming language, database, programming tools. That will be choose according or discuss with the management team. Every developer or a programmer must follow the predefined coding guidelines for the developing or implementing a particular software product. This is the implementation phase. Next is the testing. After completing the implementation, the next phase is testing. In this phase connected by QA team, that means quality assurance or tester. So it is perform different types of testing for the suitable of a program or project. The main aim of the tester is to test complete software product and check whether it is according to the customer requirement or not. This is the main thing. If the particular software or program having some bugs, then they report those back to the developer. Now the developer team fix those errors and send back to the project to the QA team. These all are done only by the according to the customer requirement. Next is deployment and maintenance phase. That means in this phase conducted by PM, project manager, operational production support team. After completing all the project or complete software project or product as per the customer requirement and there are no any error or bugs, only after that is particular product or project delivery to the customer or deployed to the customer environment or release in the market. This is called a deployment. Now deployment to the customer or customer environment, if there is any issues occur or any error occur, any problem occur, that will be handled by the maintenance team. If there is any updation also need or want to add new features, this is also handled by a support managing team. These all are the SDLC phases working and SDLC phases. Thank you.